Hey guys. Welcome to the FoneGeek channel. Have you ever run into the issue like this? Your iPhone gets stuck in the boot loop. It keeps restarting non-stop with an Apple logo flashing on the black screen. Don't worry. It is a common problem in the iPhone and could be easily fixed with the right tool. In this video, we will show you an easy way to fix this iPhone stuck issue and update to iOS 14. Now let's get started. If you wish to fix iPhone stuck in the Apple logo and boot loop without experiencing any data loss, then you can try FoneGeek iOS System Recovery. It is widely known to resolve various iOS-related issues, like black screen, white Apple logo, restart loop, and more. It is very easy to use. You can get your iPhone back to normal with several simple clicks. Download and install FoneGeek iOS System Recovery to your computer and follow these steps to get your iPhone out of the Apple logo loop. That's it. If this video helps, don't forget to give us a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video.